Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Meghna. So today we're gonna be talking everything about shower gels, and I'm also gonna review a product which is this. What is this? So this is Fiama Men Shower Gel. Now listening to this, the first question you have in your mind is men? Why men shower gel? So I have a big reason for this, which I'll share with you guys later, so please stay tuned. Okay, so first just talk about why I prefer shower gels over bathing soaps or cakes. For the longest time ever, we had been cleansing our body with those soap cakes. Except our shampoo, nothing was in liquid form, everything was solid. So we are not that used to it. I mean, the gel form and the liquid form is not our forte at this point of time. So I have various points which differentiates a shower gel from a bathing soap. So let's just check out. So firstly, the product used in bathing soap, which happens to be the base of the soap, is very harsh on the skin. It is made of some alkali salt, I read somewhere, which has a pH level between 9 and 10. And when we compare it with our body, our skin pH level is between 5 and 6. So you can see how harsh it is. It makes your skin super dry and unhealthy, unnourished and dehydrated. It leaves your skin with flakes and all, and if you are really living in a dry climate, then it's very needed that you apply a thick moisturizer on your skin. So the second thing is, I personally feel that soaps are not that hygienic. I mean, every other person keeps his hand with dirt and germ on the soap, uses it and keeps it dry. So the germs and dirt, it all just gets accumulated on the top surface of the soap, and the next time you get on to take a shower, you just apply that dirty soap onto your body. So it's very unhygienic for me. And this is not in the case of shower gel. It's tightly packed in a bottle, so every time you use, you get a new product. I mean, the original healthy product. Okay, the third thing is, soaps are not that travel friendly. I mean, it's impossible for you to just take a used soap along with you whenever you're stepping out of your house. But you can do this with the shower gel because it's packed in a bottle and the bottle is very travel friendly. Okay, so much of the informative stuff, so let's just talk about what the product we have. So this is Fiama Men Shower Gel with micro skin conditioners, and it's called Cool Burst with menthol crystals. Okay, so I am just talking about the big bottle. They are currently running an offer in which you get the smaller bottle along with the big bottle. So this bottle is of 199 rupees and the quantity you get is 250 ml. So a 250 ml bottle of this shower gel has this smaller bottle which is of 100 ml, and you get it absolutely free. I mean, in just 199 rupees you get both of them. Okay, if you want to buy this product separately, it retails at rupees 90. So you get a 90 rupees worth product all free. So let's see how to use the shower gel properly with the help of a loofah. So let's get to the demo. So first wet your body, then wet the loofah that you are using. Now pour a coin size amount of shower gel onto it. You won't be needing much amount of the shower gel. Now work out with the loofah to create a lather and foam. Rub the loofah vigorously to create foam. Once the foam is created, you can apply this onto your body. Once done, rinse your body with normal water. If you find it very dry, then you can use a mild moisturizer onto your skin like I am doing with my DIY moisturizing mist. That's it guys, it's so easy. So I used my DIY moisturizing mist. If you want to know how I prepared this, please comment down below and I would surely share the recipe and how to make it with you guys. Reading out the ingredients, I do not find any harmful chemicals in it which damages your skin. So it's very healthy for your skin. Also, what The reason why I chose this particular product from the men's range is it has menthol crystals, right? So in the summers when you take a shower, when you bathe, and it's in your mentality that you need that freshness and coolness in your body after you have your shower. So if you're living in a very humid or very dry place, the moment you step out of your shower, you again feel the warmth in the surrounding, you again feel the hotness. So this has menthol crystal, guys, which helps you retain that freshness and coolness in your body. It actually develops a separate layer onto your skin which helps you feel fresh all day long and helps you to retain that calmness in your body which you get after shower. Okay, another thing I like about this is after you rinse off your gel, shower gel or body wash or anything, any liquid soap, they tend to give you a very slippery product onto your body. I mean, it's very difficult to remove that slippery product with just water. I mean, you keep on washing, you keep on rinsing the body and the slippery product doesn't get off. So this does not have that problem, guys. You just rinse it as you would do with a regular soap and your body is perfectly clean without any slippery product residue. Okay, so the next thing is, what I like about shower gels is that you have, when you use it with a loofah, it actually gives you a gentle exfoliation on your skin. As suggested by various dermatologists, it is very good to exfoliate your skin gently every day. So with the loofah, you actually rub your skin and exfoliate your skin very gently, and which is very healthy on your skin. Okay. So also this has micro skin conditioners which help your body keep that nourishment and do not make it dry or flaky. So if you live in a very normal condition, very normal climate, then you might not need any moisturizer after the shower. So also if you live in a humid area, you won't be needing moisturizer. But if you live in a very dry place, then you might need a mild moisturizer or the DIY I have shown to you. So this is all about Fiama men's shower gel, and thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up and please share and subscribe to my channel. I literally want your support, guys. I'm very new to YouTube, so if you support me, it would be good for me. So thanks for watching. Bye.